Hi everyone, this is Jennifer Serber and this is my second video for 5 New Technologies. I came across this website Storyline Online and fell in love with this website. Storyline Online is a nonprofit website and it offers a wide variety of children's literature books. Each book has a read aloud that comes with it, and they also offer activity guides to supplement the stories. So I'm just going to show you this home page. When you drag your cursor across the book, it actually pops up who the read aloud is completed by. And as you can see, the read alouds are completed by members of the Screen Actors Guild. So what a wonderful combination to have a book read to you by a celebrity. If you go up to the All Books tab and click on it, it will show you the book and the title. It will tell you who it's written and illustrated by. Also, it will tell you who completes the read aloud, the suggested grade level, and how long the runtime is for the read aloud. Underneath is where you can get those activity guides. And also, if you really love the book, you have the opportunity to purchase the book. If you go up to the About Us, it does talk about that Storyline Online was a Daytime Emmy nominated website. But what I love most is they talk about reading aloud to children improves not only their reading, but their writing, their communication skills, logical thinking, and concentration. So I think this is a wonderful website teachers can use within the classroom. And not only that, the students and children can use it at home with their parents because these stories are up 24 hours. So if they want to read some at night before bed, or they get up early in the morning, they want a story read to them during breakfast, just have some opportunities to have some stories read to you. I think it's really great. If you come back to the home page and scroll down, it does show you where you can get some free downloads down here at the bottom. But overall, I think this is a wonderful website for my target audience, which is kindergarten to 3rd grade. I believe it brings in a lot of content knowledge with all the different themes and different books offered. Also, there's literacy for reading and just comprehension because it gives you those activities and they can have the read alouds to really soak in to what is being read about and talked about. So I just feel like this is a wonderful website and wanted to share it with you all.